to another CBD flower review. Today we're going to be looking at the lemon punch strain from the TheCBDFlowerShop. And to start off this video, I want to say that I kept an extra special nug from this tub just for this video, because look how beautiful this flower is. What a nug that is. I wanted to just keep it just so that I could show it on this video. So now that it's open, let's do a little smell test. And I've got to say, this smells absolutely amazing. It's been a very, very long time since I've had a strain that smells like this. And I'm talking about those skunk terps, because you never get them. I never see those powerful skunky terps when it comes to CBD. And this just smells like straight skunk and straight lemon. Nothing else. Super, super strong terps on this one. I think the TheCBDFlowerShop have done it again by sourcing some unbelievable smelling flower. This is already going to go down as one of the best CBD strains I've ever smelt. So now let's look at the close-ups for this flower. And this is the lemon punch from the TheCBDFlowerShop, and you've just got to look at this flower. I know I say it every video that I do with the TheCBDFlowerShop, but this really is some of the best flower I've seen. The trim job is amazing. The buds are extremely dense. And as you can see from the outside, the trichome coverage is amazing. But wait until we look at the inside, because the trichome coverage on the inside is kind of a joke, actually. I've not really seen much CBD with such heavy trichome coverage like this lemon punch. There's fat trichome heads everywhere. Amazing. So now that the close-ups are done, I guess unfortunately we're going to crack this last bud of lemon punch and we're going to put it into the grinder. So let's grind it up and give you guys a little smell test now that it is ground up. And yeah, super strong skunky terps, super strong lemon. There's no hemp, no earthiness. This is like straight THC flower smell. No messing around this terpene profile. My fingers have stuff stuck all over them just from packing the Dynavap bowl. And as always, we've got our Dynavap, we've got our torch. Let's start off with heating the top of the cap, then we'll go to the middle, then we'll go to the bottom and see what this vapor production is like. Super sweet terps. Getting that lemon coming through, getting that skunk coming through. Again, there's no earthiness to this, there's no hempiness to this. This is like pure high quality terps. So now let's go to the middle of the cap, see what the vapor production is like there. Yeah, even on that second hit, still getting no earthiness or hempiness. That citrus is still coming through super sharp. That skunkiness is starting to drop a little, but those terps are still amazing. And now we'll go into the bottom of the cap, getting as much heat as possible onto this cap. Whoa. Those terps have definitely gone a lot earthier now, but that was a pretty big hit and it was very smooth as well. No throat scratch whatsoever. And now that we've done our 3 bowls in the Dynavap, we've got a bowl packed up into the mighty of this lemon punch. So let's go to 180. There we go, we're at 180 and I'm excited. The Mighty is what I've been putting this lemon punch through a lot on my live streams. I'm streaming most days of the week now on Twitch, and I've been testing this flower on my live streams, and I've been loving it through the Mighty. So let's taste those terps again. Wow. Yep. Lemon skunk. That is basically how I'm going to describe the smell and the taste of this flower. Still getting that lemon holding on a little bit, but funny enough, the skunk is a bit more powerful when you put it through the Mighty. Amazing terps in the Mighty, but now let's go up to 210. Here it is, 210. Let's take a hit straight away. And there's those monster vapor clouds I've been getting. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's the Mighty done. And now we've got a new piece actually. This is the glass from the Hemper unboxing, but the down stem on my other piece broke. So it's kind of a Frankenstein bong right now. I've got a bowl and also a detachable stem, and you've got like 12 different pieces. So I thought that we'd hit our bong through this piece today. So the bowl is filled. Let's do this. That was a pretty big bowl. So the vapes are done, the bong is done. What do I think of the lemon punch from the CBDFlowerShop? We're going to start off with the looks, and I'm going to say, we all know now, we all expect it from the CBDFlowerShop. Their products are just super high quality. They're at the top of the ladder when it comes to CBD flower, and this lemon punch is no different. The trim job is about as perfect as you're going to get. The flowers are nice and dense. The trichome coverage is amazing. This is fresh too. I can't really fault the looks of this. And now let's get into the smell. And this is probably one of the best CBD strains I've ever smelt. Lemon skunk. I haven't had this strain in a long time. Sometimes I just open up this tub just to smell the terpene profile. It's really that good. Now let's get to the taste, which is actually really good and follows the smell pretty well. You get a nice lemon skunk taste to start with, and then that lemon seems to drift off and the skunk seems to hold on a little bit, and then the earthiness comes in towards the end of the bowl. Really nice smooth hits, big clouds of vapor. This tastes good. And now let's get to whether I think this is a day or a nighttime strain. Now I'm going to say this would be great as a daytime strain. I think this is an uplifting strain. I'd say this was more of a sativa dominant strain, which is quite weird because I don't often experience those sativa style effects with CBD flower, but I definitely did with this. And now let's get to the effects. And I would say this was definitely more sativa dominant. You're not going to be getting that sativa head high that you would with THC. But I do feel like I'm a lot more energetic. I've got a lot more focus, a little bit more energy. Feel really uplifted off this strain actually. If I want to get something done, if I want to go out for the day, if I'm on a little trip, if I want to edit or something, this would be a really good strain. And the pain relief is really good on it too. I've had a trapped muscle that keeps knotting right by my shoulder blade, and it's been causing me issues for about a week now, and this has been solving it. In fact, just from this one session, it's completely loosened that knot up. As you can see from my face, this hasn't hit me like a lot of strains do, especially some from the CBD Flower Shop. Can't really feel it in my eyes at all. Although my head is super clear, I don't really feel any sort of grogginess from using CBD. If anything, it has uplifted me more than dropped me down, which is normally what happens with CBD flower. So I think this one would be really good for a wake and bake if you want to just clear your head in the morning, get on a nice level, but you've got things to do. And overall, guys, this is an amazing strain. It's been an amazing experience using it. Just for the smell alone, I'm in love with this flower. It smells amazing. It's the lemon skunk terp profile. I've been searching for a strain that smells like this for so long, and now I found it. Great effects, perfect for the daytime, perfect for if you actually need to go out and do things. And overall, this was a really, really good strain, and the CBD Flower Shop have done it again. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up, put some comments in the comment section, hit that subscribe button. I'll speak to you guys later.